me and my compadre. We have now hammered it back on, measuring 200, we said, from here to here.
Yeah.
So that's the right way it came off. We're just using it, we're using the axle stang, it'll probably come out the way now, because on the torsion bar it won't go anywhere. What?
Yeah.
We'll have to pull out the right. Should just tap that washer in, Mick. You get it?
Yep.
Is it home? That's no home power.
Yeah.
Just get it home. I'll try and show you.
How's that? Oh, they've got it going in, didn't they?
Yeah. Right. There's a wee screwdriver. And just shimmies across into the groove.
Right, into the right.
The groove there. There's a groove there.
Yeah.
It's a magnetic screwdriver, huh?
That's how it's not coming off. Pulling it with it.
No. You might have to go from a wee bit out with the torsion bar yet.
Aye. Need to come back in.
Because I can't get it in the groove.
So.
Wait a second. I need to get that line. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
No, you might
need to go back in again.
A wee bit. Just next step will be the main torsion bar, anti-roll bar, ARB, sorry, through the axle. That's the end cap back on for the torsion bar. So next step will be this, and then it will be shock absorber reattached. The jack got a wee bit to put the torsion on it, but we should get there. It's all coming back together slowly but surely. So we'll break it back in a couple of minutes, okay? That's the anti-roll bar back in, the shock are connected, the handbrake's got to be connected, the brake pipe's got to be connected, the ABS has got to be connected, brake disc's got to be connected, brake caliper's got to be connected, and that's it. Okay folks, so a bit of a short one, unless you just want to watch me screw up some brake calipers. Come over that, it's 19mm. Stupid. Only French.
Yeah.
Made a design. Yeah, stupid.
Yeah.
Only the French. Only the fucking French. Frogs. Frog's legs. Anybody that ever was going to do this job, I'd recommend you buy an axle. Don't waste your time.
Yeah.
Don't waste your time, it's not worth the hassle.
The man hours alone.
Man hours alone, if I was paying myself to do this, it can cost me a
Bankrupt you.
Not unless you're going to drop the whole axle and rebuild it yourself, like. And even then, it's not worth the price of the car.
Yeah.
Unless you've got a full workshop.
Yeah.
In my opinion, it's not worth the hassle. Right, that's it now. Right, party time. Cheap pads you can buy.
What is it? Just the brake lines?
Brake line at the top
ABS.
bracket and can reconnect the ABS. Reconnect the ABS, connect the brake pipe here.
Alright. That's a weird fucking coming out the way. Is there a nut for it? No, it just screws in there.
Nah, it just screws in. It's 13 mil.
Ah, right.
There's another 13 mil for the top of screws.
There's on your socket, but is it?
No, the 13 mil nut bolt rather. It goes through the top.
Oh, you right.
There's one goes through the top.
Where would you put that?
Well, I know where
Here.
I put it.
Is that it?
And no, that's a nut.
Right.
I know where I put everything, Mick.
Right.
On the
Oh.
floor, inside the car. But that doesn't mean to say it's still there, because you
No.
had one in your hand earlier on and you try to give it to me to put through the axle, which is completely the wrong nut, or rather the wrong bolt. There's it there.
Yeah. You want?
I don't think this is a very good, clever idea either.
No, I know. Putting it through fucking.
There's a captive nut on the end of it, you see.
Oh, it goes in there. And you black bastard.
Cable tie.
Where are they?
No, just cable tie.
Where are they?
No worry about that now. No worry. Right, that's the wheels all back on it. No real negative camber from it just now. It's looking good so far. We'll probably clean the inside of it out. It's a bit dusty inside. Dusty and full of muck. Builder's car. So, but tidied it all up and that anyway. So. We was like, and well, proves you do eventually get there when you try, you know, hard enough. So thanks too much for watching. Bye.